Hello there, students. In this video, let's explore addition and see how it helps us combine and count items. Ready to dive in? So addition is simply combining numbers or things to find a total. Picture it this way. If we have 6 apples in one basket and add 6 more, we get 12 apples. That's addition. Now let's try counting to add. Imagine Amit has 5 candies, and his father gives him 4 more. By counting each candy, we find he now has 9 candies altogether. When we move to 2-digit numbers, things get a bit more interesting. We sometimes need a carryover. For example, if we add 24 and 67, we start with the units place. 4 plus 7 is 11. We keep the 1 in the units place, and the other 1 carries over to the tens, making it 9 in total, so 24 plus 67 equals 91. And of course, number lines can help with addition too. Say Jim has 4 apples, and Tim adds 5 more. We can hop along a number line from 4, count up 5, and land at 9. Here's a quick question for you. If you start with 3 candies and get 6 more, how many do you have? Share your answer in the comments below. The complete curriculum for Class 1 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.